case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 2017 California Supreme Court case, Asin of Cal Inez Cause v. Jones, tackled the issue of whether the state's insurance commissioner had the authority to create regulations enforcing the Unfair Insurance Practices Act, particularly those related to homeowners' insurance replacement cost estimates. In 2011, the commissioner introduced a comprehensive regulation that faced opposition from the Association of California Insurance Companies. They argued that the commissioner's power should be limited under the Unfair Insurance Practices Act, UIPA, and a lower court initially agreed. However, after wildfires revealed a widespread issue of underinsurance, the California Supreme Court ultimately decided in favor of the insurance commissioner. They determined that the legislation supported the 2011 regulation and upheld the commissioner's interpretation of UIPA and the regulation, citing their authority under Section 790.10 as sufficiently broad. The court rejected the association's argument for a narrower interpretation of the commissioner's power.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.